In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a chart template on MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5, or MT5, is a powerful and widely used platform for Forex and other types of market trading. One of its many features is the ability to customize chart templates, allowing you to personalize your trading environment and save significant time by not having to recreate your charts from scratch each time. Let's dive right into the process. First, when you have your chart open in MetaTrader 5, you want to start by right-clicking anywhere on that chart. This is the first and crucial step in accessing the chart's menu options. The right click not only opens up a menu specific to the chart you are working on, but it also gives you a host of different functionalities that you can explore. Once you've right-clicked, you will see a drop-down menu appear. In this menu, locate the option labeled Templates. This section in MetaTrader 5 is dedicated to storing your chart configurations. It acts like a library of chart settings that you can switch between, depending on your trading needs or strategies. Click on Templates. This step is essential as it takes you to the next part of the template options, where you can customize and save specific settings that reflect your trading style. After selecting Templates, you'll see various options emerge. What you want to do is look for and click on Save Template. This option allows you to save the current state of your chart, including all the indicators, colors, and other custom settings you've applied. By saving your template, you are essentially capturing a snapshot of your customized chart setup, so you can reuse it in the future. When you click Save Template, a window will pop up, prompting you for a name. Naming your template thoughtfully is important because it makes it easier for you to identify it later, especially if you create multiple templates for different trading strategies or timeframes. Try to be as descriptive as possible with your naming. Something like daily trading or scalp setup can help maintain a well-organized system. Once you've named your template, all you need to do is click the Save button in the window. With that click, your template is saved within MetaTrader 5, ready for future use. The ability to save and load templates is a time-saving feature and adds a level of convenience to your trading. With just a few clicks, you can switch between different setups, adjust quickly to market conditions, and streamline your trading sessions, and that's all there is to it. With this simple process, you ensure that your trading environment is always set up just how you like it, with minimal effort. Thanks for watching and happy trading.